Hey, social cam. Hey, AJ. I want you to guess what is inside this box. It is for you. And it cost me a lot of money. And so I hope you will, and your wife, and your baby will like what is inside this box. I've already given it away. So now you have to watch out for the box when I see you VIP on Wednesday, hey? I hope you like it. Do you think you'll like it?
Yep.
Ethan made it, didn't you? You picked out the clothes. Don't open it. He's not allowed to see it yet. He's not allowed to see it yet. You picked out the clothes. You picked out the heartbeat. And you picked out the lullaby, didn't you? You dressed him all by yourself. Yeah, so it's more from Ethan than from me because he built it. But yeah, so I hope you like it. And I hope your wife likes it. I bet your wife will like it. Rochelle will think it is the cutest thing ever. Trust me. Anyway, yeah, so hope you like it. See you Wednesday. Bye.